All the way down here, Tilly.
I think without
Tilly,
it.
all the way down here.
Oh.
Right? Oh, you're nice and warm. Ivan, come over by Tilly.
Oh, it's actually not that cool. Okay. Oh, you're nice and warm. Guys, don't chicken out this time. Just jump. Okay.
Okay, ready? Everybody look at the camera.
Everyone look at the camera.
Okay. Ready, Ivan?
3, 2, 1. Bye.
Congratulations. 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 Today is your day. You're off to great places.
Oh no!
You're off and away.
Not again.
You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself in any direction you choose. You're on your own and you know what you know. And you are the girl who will decide where to go. You look up and down streets, look them over with care. About some you'll say, I don't choose to go there. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down any not-so-good street. And you may not find any that you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. It's opener there in the wide open air. Out there things can happen, and frequently do, to people as footsie and brainy as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry. Don't stew. Just go right along. You'll start happening too. Oh, the places you'll go. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. You won't lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass the whole gang. Soon take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be the best of the best. Wherever you go, you'll top all the rest. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say so, but sadly, it's true that bang-ups and hang-ups can happen to you.
The water has changed.
What do you mean?
It's
Lower?
yes. Because I don't want to go anymore.
Okay, you don't have to. That was scary.
And I was in the hole for a long time.
I know.
Oh, golly. How bad does that hurt? Open your mouth. Teeth are all good. Teeth are all good. Good job, bud. Uh-oh. get all hung up in a prickly perch and your gang will fly on, you'll be left in the lurch. You'll come down from the lurch with the most unpleasant bump, and the chances are then that you'll be in a slump.
You got it, bud.
And when you're in a slump, you're not in for much fun.
I can't do anything. I'm just gonna fall.
No, you're not. Papa's got you.
Good job, buddy.
Unslumping yourself is not easily done. You will come to a place where the streets are not marked. Some windows are lighted, but mostly they're dark. A place you could sprain both your elbow and your chin. Do you dare to stay out? Do you dare to go in? How much could you lose? How much could you win? And if you go in, should you turn left or right? Or right and 3/4? Or maybe not quite? Or go around back and sneak in from behind? Simple it's not, I'm afraid you will find, for a mind maker-upper to make up her mind.
47th Street. Right? No.
You can get so confused that you'll start
It's
into race
easier
down
and
long
safer,
riddled
Ivan.
roads at a breaknecking pace and grind on for miles and miles across weirdish wild space,
The yellow gate at school.
headed, I fear, toward a most useless place. The waiting place.
But we're waiting for somebody back there. Thanks.
For people just waiting.
Oh, it's gotten bigger. It's so big.
Waiting for a train to go, or a bus to come, or a plane to go, or the mail to come, or the rain to go.
I don't want it to fly.
Or the phone to ring, or the snow to snow. Or waiting around for a yes or a no. Or waiting for their hair to grow. Everyone is just waiting.
My rams are
Waiting for the fish to bite, or waiting for a wind to fly the kite. Or waiting around for Friday night, or waiting perhaps for their Uncle Jake, or a pot to boil, or a better break, or a string of pearls, or a pair of pants, or a wig with curls, or another chance. Everyone is just waiting. No, that's not for you. Somehow you'll escape all that waiting and staying. You'll find the bright places. Boom bands are playing. With banner flip-flapping, once more you'll ride high, ready for anything under the sky. Ready for anything. Because you're that kind of guy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a common way to blame and how to
places you'll go, there is fun to be won, there are points to be scored, there are games to be won. And the magical things you can do with that ball will make you the winningest winner of all. Fame, you'll be famous as famous can be, with the whole wide world watching you win on TV. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too, games you can't win, because you'll play against you.
I don't know where to go and you're just sitting there laughing at me.
Honey, I can't help you. You've got to figure it out.
But there's no hold. My fingers are cramping.
Well, that means it's probably time to
No.
let somebody else have a try.
No.
You can still lead it, honey.
No.
All alone. Whether you like it or not, alone will be something you'll be quite a lot. You'll meet things that scare you right out of your pants. There are some down the road between hither and yon that can scare you so much you won't want to go on. Weather be foul. On you will go, though your enemies prowl. On you will go, though the hackenscracks howl. Onward up many frightening creek, though your arms may get sore and your sneakers may leak. On and on you will hike, and I know you'll hike far and face up to your problems, whatever they are. Chili, tell me what you're thinking right now.
I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking. How long will it take?
15 hours.
Seriously?
Yeah, are you ready for that?
Sure.
Can you do it? Now listen, it's going to get really tough.
At what point?
All those boulders go all the way around. And then, so you can see Asgard better. So,
Oh, I see the creek.
So we'll be on the left side of the creek, and we'll go up and kind of go right underneath those rocks coming down.
That's what we were.
Probably about 9 hours in, it's going to be really tough. And then it's going to be like, what am I doing? Why am I here? I just want to be in the car. I want to be at home. Are you ready for that? but you got to push on. On you will go. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go.
Hello, guys.
So be sure when you step with great care and great tact. And remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left. And will you succeed?
Oh my gosh! You did it!
Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. Kid, you'll move mountains. So, be your name Buxbaum or Bixby or Bray, or Tilly Jane, Ivan, Eleanor, Van Allen O'Shea. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way.